Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Replit code run 24/7. All right, let's begin. First, go to the Replit homepage and open the chat panel. Ask it to help you create a basic website using Python or Node.js that stays online after publishing. This gives the assistant enough context to set up a simple Flask or Express app with the required files. Next, review the available project types and select Web App, since it's best for continuous deployment. In the chat, describe your requirements clearly, such as a homepage route, a health check endpoint, and a basic HTML template. After that, choose Test and Iterate to preview your app and refine it. You can also ask the agent to add features or improve functionality. Once everything works, click Publish and follow the prompts to deploy your app. This creates a public URL and keeps your project running based on your hosting plan. Open the link to confirm everything loads correctly and update or republish if needed. So that's basically how you can make Replit code run 24/7. That's it for this video. Thanks.